Revolved half moon is a super challenging posture, but the feet up makes it accessible for people like me and others who might struggle with it, trying to put your hand on the floor. Your leg that is down, well, first of all, your ankles are directly under your hips. Your front hand, which will be the one farthest away from me, is directly under your shoulders. So we've got some vertical columns here. And then the leg that's farthest away from the screen goes up. So we're turning into the standing leg, which adds a lot of challenge through the back body, through the hip. This leg back here is pressing out through the heel like a donkey kick. And then you're pressing down into the trainer to turn your chest toward the screen, taking this top arm up. It could be on your hip. It could be behind your back. It could reach up. And you can look down. You can look straight to the side, or you can gaze up at your hand, and reversing the half moon adds a whole other challenge than the half moon pose, which is a really fun and interesting and challenging pose in and of itself. But that would be an open posture for an open hip, and this is a closed one where you're rotating, a lot more rotation into your standing leg. Enjoy playing with that.